I had the Angry Bird, the Mega Angry Bird.
Oh, new set? This is your new set?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is, I have 2 helmet pigs. And these are the bricks what I'm not using. I don't know how it goes, so I'm using like this.
Okay.
Here I have is 2 helmet pigs, and 1 medium pig, and 1 grand pig,
Okay.
and 1 star egg, and 1 medium egg.
Okay.
And here I have Blackbird a bomb.
Okay.
And here I have Blackbird who can light up.
Okay.
But it can't.
Okay.
It doesn't do it. It can squish down. It can smash over. And here I have Redbird who's explode also. He also explode. And even I have Bluebird who splits. And even I have Whitebird who drop an egg. And I have Yellowbird who goes speedy.
Speedy.
Speedy like light, fast like lightning.
Oh.
And even I'm using these cards.
Okay. What is this card?
4 levels or 4 power. Winning power.
There are so many cards. Okay.
And I'm gonna use this.
Okay.
This is a launcher. It have
Oh, it has music also. How to use launcher? Can you show me how to use launcher?
Okay, I'll sit on it to do it. When it's on, it can do like.
Okay. Okay. Off कर दिया क्या?
Listen to a song.
Okay. Show me बेटा. मामा को पूरा दिखाओ ना कैसे एंग्री बर्ड खेलते हैं. ना एंग्री बर्ड कैसे खेलते हैं वो दिखाओ. मामा को नहीं आता ना बेटा. यहाँ पे बर्ड करो.
Now.
Oh, you missed it. Use another one. Oh, you missed it.
You can try it again and get another one again when you miss.
Okay. Oh, you missed it again. Oh, you missed it again. Oh, I got blue one. ब्लू वन क्या करता है बेटा? ब्लू वन क्या कर? स्प्लिट. So many की only 3 बेटा.
Oh, sorry. And even 4 because one throw the birds.
I think थोड़ा सा दूर रखो. ऐसे. ये 1 पिग गिर गया ना?
Yes, hula, piggy.
Yeah, see? Okay, चलो अब बाय कर दो.
Bye. So I'll try again with throwing. Yeah. I'll do the big one.
Smash. अच्छा हल कैसे करता है बेटा? हल कैसे करता है दिखा दो.
Like a hold smart. That what Hulk do.
और okay then fine. Okay bye आरुष.
Bye.
मामा तब देखो तो.
Bye. Because I just do it by myself. This hard one game.